Hey guys, take a minute with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix your AirPods Pro case if it's not charging and go through the troubleshooting steps so that you know how to fix this issue. So let's get started. So when you do charge it, like when you're plugging it in, just like that, what should happen is normally you'll see a light here. As you can see here, I see that amber or orange light. That means it is charging, and that's good. Now, if you don't see that charging when you plug it in, now there could be an issue going on. The first thing to really check is to see if there's dust that gets under there, and you need to clean that port out. And the way to do it is take like a SIM card ejector tool or a paper clip. So you could have a tool like this or even a paper clip bend like this. You're gonna basically pick in there and find out if there's any dust. You'll be surprised to find out over time so much lint and dust can build up. And you're gonna be very gentle because you don't want to damage the pin in there. So gently look for it deep in there and try to scrub it to see if it's clear. It should be clear and white when you do it, but if there's lint or something on the side, it will prevent the connection from happening with your charging. So that's the first thing to do. Now the next thing to do is, if you're having issues, is go ahead and change the cable and try a new cable, because sometimes that cable might not be touching those pins that you have, might be damaged. So it's good to try it. Your iPhone might be charging, but when it comes to the AirPod, it might not be charging because the damaged cable. Along with that, sometimes it's good to check that if you have a wall adapter or plug like this, you also want to change that as well, because sometimes those things can be defective and you might not know it, and that could be impacting your charge not happening. So you're going to clean it out, change out the cable. Now the next thing you want to do if you're still having the issue is go ahead and try to see if you can charge with like actual MagSafe charger. If you have those wireless charger, your AirPods should be able to just sit there. You should be able to put a center and see if the light comes up and it's charging. If it does, that means that if your port is clean and it's not charging that way, your port could be damaged and you just have to use the wireless charging to charge your case. So try the MagSafe charger that's available or a wireless charger. Now, if you're still having the issue, it's time to give your AirPods a hard reset. And what we mean by that is, if you look at the back of your AirPods, you should see this button here that's flushed against it, a circle here. You're going to press and hold that for about 15 seconds to 20 seconds. You're just going to press and hold just like that. And when you do press and hold, I'm going to show you what should happen is you'll see the green light come up, and then you should see the light blink or have different colors. That's just giving the AirPods a good, nice, fresh reset of any sort of issue that may be impacting the AirPods. And once you let go and try the charging one more time, and hopefully at this time the charging is working. So those are the troubleshooting steps you're going to do. If none of these help you guys, and for some reason, also the other thing you mentioned is make sure your AirPods themselves are in the case and they sit perfectly. They should sit like that. If it's popping up or it doesn't fit perfectly, that could be an issue. And if none of these tips that we mentioned work for you, most likely the case itself is damaged, or you can have a defective case. And if you bought the AirPods from somewhere, not Apple directly, you might want to check if it's real or not, which we'll leave a link to the description section on how to check if your AirPods are real or fake, because there's a lot of fake AirPods out there that we've seen that have these sort of issues. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If so, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Also let us know which of the following tip help you guys resolve the issue in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.